how to get cheap car insurance in Canada. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get cheap car insurance in Canada. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Compare quotes from multiple insurance providers. Each one has different rates, so shopping around can help you find the cheapest option. Consider bundling your car insurance with other policies like home or renter's insurance. Bundling usually comes with discounts that can save you money. Increasing your deductible will lower your monthly premium. You'll pay more if you file a claim, but it helps reduce your regular payments. A clean driving record can lead to lower insurance premiums. Avoid traffic violations and accidents to qualify for better rates. Ask your insurance provider about available discounts. You might get discounts for being a student, having safety features, or taking a driving course. Paying your premium in one lump sum for the year often results in a discount compared to paying monthly. If you don't drive much, usage based insurance can be a cost effective option. It bases your premium on how much you drive, offering savings for low mileage drivers. That's all for the video.